Let's talk about business credit. So we want to talk about net 30 vendors, and we want to compare and contrast Uline to HD Supply to Office Depot, Office Max. So we are going to have a quick compare and contrast between those net 30 accounts. So here's a review I want you to really pay attention to. I want to first start with Uline. So when you think about Uline as a net 30 account, you have a fantastic possibility here. Why? Because Uline actually allows you to build business credit while purchasing, shipping, packaging, and industrial supplies. And so you are able to actually tap into 41 to 50,000 high quality supplies along with fast, affordable shipping. So this is really great. So Uline is actually has been a leading distributor for many years now, and we love the fact that you are able to set up net 30 terms very simply. And Uline reports to two business credit bureaus, so that's really good. So those are Dun and Bradstreet and Experian, and they offer 41 to 50,000 products, and shipping is fast and very affordable. So what we love about Uline is that as long as you qualify, you will receive net 30 payment terms, which gives you a 30 to 45 days, in some cases even 60 days for invoice payments. And if you are a new customer needing supplies, all you need to do is select Invoice Me when checking out. And that's really good. And so you can increase cash flow and build business credit at the same time. And if you run into any issues along the way, you can call their 1-800 number to get assistance from a customer service rep. So building business credit through a Uline is pretty fast. And so we love the fact that they report to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian. I mean, if you think about Granger, for instance, Granger only reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So having the option to have your data reported to more than one business credit bureau is really helpful. I mean, a lot of those net 30 accounts, they report primarily to Dun & Bradstreet, but if you have the possibility to also have your data reported to Experian and Equifax business, that's really good. And Uline offers 41 to 50,000 products. That's what I said a little earlier. And some examples include boxes. You have sealing tapes. You have cushioning products. You have stretch wrap. You have poly bags. You have bubble mailers. You have laser labels. You have paper products. You have pallet trucks, trash liners, plastic bins, utility carts, and cleaning supplies. So in terms of flexibility, you are really well served. What we love also is that shipping is fast and affordable. I mean, you know, when you talk to Uline customers, and we have a lot of them as our customers, our own customers. They tell you that basically Uline has 13 to 15 strategic locations throughout North America, and this allows them to ship supplies quickly to customers while keeping costs at a minimum, and that's really good. And what we love also is that in terms of getting your orders delivered fast, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay extra for it. Okay, Uline takes care of it, not a problem. And Uline offers net 30 payment terms to both new and established businesses. So if you are a startup and you're worried about actually qualifying for Uline financing, don't worry, they'll take care of you, not a problem. Okay, and during the credit application process, Uline will ask for bank and trade references, and this allows them to evaluate your business credit history and see how responsible you are when making vendor credit payments. They're not checking your paydesk score. They're not checking your Experian credit score, your Experian business credit score, and they're not checking your Equifax business credit score. They just want to have your trade references and bank references. And so Uline doesn't ask customers to provide a social security number or a business bank account. No, they just want to have those bank references and those trade references. And so once approved, you have the option of using net 30, net 45, net 60 terms for purchases. And Uline offers a variety of debit and business credit card options for payments. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. We love that. And one thing to note is that Uline is one of the vendors that does not explicitly state what the minimum purchase amount is to qualify for a net 30, net 45, or net 60 account, or what the maximum credit limit is. And however, a general rule is that if you might want to spend at least $50 per order with vendors to actually start building your business credit. Okay, and this is really fantastic. So overall, you have a very flexible, a very generous net 30 account that you can actually qualify for through Uline. I want to talk to you now about HD Supply. So when you think about HD Supply, I want you to think about a leading provider of maintenance, repair, and operations products and services. And with over 40 years of experience, this company has a good reputation for reliability, innovation, and quality, which is why it has become one of the trusted partners of businesses from many industries. So that's what we love a lot. And there are also more than 40 distribution centers in 25 states, making delivery quality, branded, and proprietary products right to your office or business address easy and quick, okay? And the cool thing is that you can choose from a diverse range of products at HD Supply, from plumbing to janitorial supplies. And this online platform is also where you can purchase building materials and tools for your next project. And HD Supply caters to the needs of industry professionals, including contractors and facilities managers, providing items and necessities for the maintenance and upkeep of buildings, infrastructure, and commercial properties, among others. And we also love the fact that HD Supply is a top choice for many small business owners and startups because it offers flexible payment terms through the Net 30 vendor program. And with this program, you can access a wide range of essential materials and supplies while deferring payment for up to 30 days. So that's really good in terms of your cash inflow and cash outflow. And the company is known for giving customers valuable flexibility and cash flow management. So that's really fantastic. So overall, when you think about the Net 30 vendor program at HD Supply, I want you to think about flexibility. I want you to think about a trusted supplier. Okay, so HD Supply is a well-known player when it comes to supplying quality MRO, so maintenance, repair, and operations products and services that can support your operational requirements. So that's really fantastic. Now, the application form is quite comprehensive compared to startup vendors, such as companies that we actually have reviewed on this show. So you will need to provide the following information. So your business name, the business physical and email addresses, the contact numbers, including fax and phone, your requested credit limit or equivalent to your anticipated monthly spend, the owner and management details. They don't ask for a social though, but they ask for a first name, last name, and an address, your name, job title, and other information, your bank account name, type, and number, and specific purchasing instructions. You also have to upload documents including tax exemption and credit sheets. You must specify where to send invoices, whether via fax, email, and or other options. Once completed, you can submit your application and wait for the response. So when we talk about HD Supply, basically the product range and quality are really excellent. HD Supply offers different products tailored to meet your needs. I've said this before, and it doesn't matter your business type or industry. There is a comprehensive selection of maintenance, repair, and operation products, supplies, and materials, including appliances such as dishwashers, microwaves, trash compactors, and ovens. You have cabinets and countertops. You have cleaning and janitorial items, including trash cans and bags, dispensers and floor equipment, doors and molding, electrical equipment, tools and accessories, as well as conduit, raceway, and fittings, electronics like speakers, two-way radios, and TVs. You have food service supplies like cookware, dinnerware, and kitchen kits. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. You have that's sort of a comprehensive provider there. And more products are available along with services such as the following. You have custom products like order forms, custom paints, signs, and custom cut acrylic. Renovation Plus for renovation and building consultation services with dedicated expert and project manager. You have business services including bin labels, customized reports, and strategic account management. You have order services to make tracking more straightforward, including package tracking, special orders, and appliance delivery. You have small business solutions such as delivering nationwide the next day for free and flexible financing. You have professional training, including live classes and certifications. And you have online solutions like electronic invoicing and online payment services. So that's really good in terms of flexibility and also comprehensiveness. Okay. And HD Supply actually provides a competitive pricing on its products and services. And the structure varies based on various factors such as the type of product, the quantity ordered, and other agreements. So be on the lookout for ongoing promotions and discounts to save more when buying supplies from HD Supply. And now, while there is no minimum order, this benefit only applies to your very first order. You will incur late fees if you do not pay off your balance on time. A minimum of $2 or 1.5% equivalent to 18% per year will be charged for all of your past due invoices. So something to really think about. And not only will paying late cost you money, but it also hurt your business credit. So think about that. So I want to talk to you now about Office Depot, Office Max. So when you think about Office Depot, Office Max, and especially when it comes to a Net 30 account, I want you to think about flexibility. And Office Depot offers a wide range of office supplies, printing, furniture, and more. And basically, the Office Depot Office Max business account requires payment in full every month. On the application, it suggests agreeing to a personal guarantee to increase the likelihood of approval if your business meets any of the following criteria: a sole proprietorship, a partnership, unincorporated, or a corporation with an annual revenue of less than $5 million, less than 10 employees, or incorporated less than 3 years. And what we have seen in our research is that some applicants have been denied with less than 3 years business credit history. So you may want to make sure business credit is well established before applying for this account. And the cool thing about Office Depot Office Max is that you can actually get qualified for the Net 30 account, but also you can qualify for the business credit account, and or even the business account. It really depends. It really depends on your configuration. It depends most importantly upon your company's finances. Okay, so we are speaking about how long you have been in business and what are your cash inflows and cash outflows. And Office Depot, they don't look at your revenue necessarily. They look at your cash inflows and cash outflows. Because, for instance, if you are telling them you make $1 million and they realize that your cash inflows and cash outflows are not actually, they don't match your revenue, they will go with the cash inflows. So for Office Depot Office Max, the most important thing is to actually make sure that your liquidity is pretty strong. Okay, that means what? It means that you have to make sure that you can convince Office Depot Office Max that you have the ability to repay whatever credit they extend to you. Okay, but their Net 30 account, they actually will report your data to Dun & Bradstreet. They don't report as of yet. As of the date of this show, they do not report the business your repayment history to Experian Business or Equifax Business. They only stick to Dun & Bradstreet for now. Now, chances are, the more you buy from them, the longer you establish a business relationship with them, they will start reporting the data to all the other two business credit bureaus. If you are considering Office Depot Office Max Net 30 account, you might want to think about their Business Select program. And this program is available to businesses that have an existing account or create a new account on OfficeDepot.com and who are located in the continental 48 US states. And so the program is not available in Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, or the US Virgin Islands. And so this is a program that allows you to actually tap deeper into the Office Depot Office Max Net 30 account, because you have $100 off business services, you have free delivery, everyday discounts, ink and toner recycling, and you have dedicated customer support. So in terms of $100 off business services, Business Select members receive $100 Depot dollars valid on their expert computer setup, plus repair, print services, and pack and ship. And they have free delivery, so you get your items faster with free delivery, free 2-day delivery, and free next business day delivery with no minimum purchase required within their local delivery areas. So that's really good. So when you have a Business Select membership, you actually qualify automatically. So that's really good to know. And Business Select members receive up to 20% off a hand-picked assortment of thousands of business-focused items every single day. And you also can earn $3 when you recycle your ink and toner cartridges. So with minimum purchase of $10, up to 10 cartridges per month. And in terms of customer support, you have priorities to support. So all the help you need right when you need it. So that's really fantastic. So Business Select members receive concierge service and a dedicated customer support line. So that's really good. And you have everyday exclusive discounts on a constellation of products. Okay, paper, ink, toner, cleaning, and break room supplies. And you are actually able to access the benefits a lot faster. And if you want to join the Office Depot, Office Max Business Select program, you can just go online and really apply there, and you can qualify. You can qualify ASAP. That's really fantastic. So what is our choice here? Uline versus HD Supply versus Office Depot, Office Max, Net 30 accounts. Which one should you go for? Before I actually let you choose, or I tell you which one you should go for, it's really important to understand that when we talk about Net 30 accounts, there is a diverse typology. There are different types of Net 30 accounts to be aware of. So you have vendor credit, for instance, you have supplier credit, you have trade credit, you have Toolbox Net 30 charge card. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. So when I talk about vendor credit, this type of Net 30 account is specific to individual vendors, right? So you can purchase, as a business, you can purchase goods or services from a vendor and pay the invoice within 30 days. And that's really good. And trade credit is kind of similar to vendor credit also. But supplier credit is different because supplier credit is extended by suppliers and is specific to the goods or services they offer. It's a common practice in supply chain management, allowing businesses to maintain inventory without immediate payment. And now there are differences and similarities when it comes to Net 30 accounts. The primary difference lies in the scope of their use. Vendor and supplier credits are typically limited to transactions with the issuing entities, while trade credit and Toolbox Net 30 charge cards offer a wide applicability across different vendors and suppliers. You also have payment terms, so Net 30, so payments within 30 days. You have credit reporting, so most types of Net 30 accounts, if reported to credit bureaus, can positively influence your business's credit history. And you also have interest and fees. So generally, Net 30 accounts do not charge interest if paid within the stipulated period. However, terms can vary, and some might have associated fees or specific conditions when late payments are paid. So in summary, while vendor credit, supplier credit, trade credit, and Toolbox Net 30 charge cards share the core principle of deferred payments, they differ in their applicability and terms. So something to really think about. And what I want to say here is that when you think about the HD Supply, Uline, or Office Depot, Office Max, you also got to think about the process for being approved, right? So basically, some vendors have a fast application process, while others they just want you to really have a lengthy process. So something that really you have to think about. So what is our selection here? Uline versus HD Supply versus Office Depot, Office Max. Which one should you go for? Our choice is very simple. Uline. Uline is the faster, is the easiest way to actually build a business credit. If you want a Net 30 account, even if you are a startup, Uline is way better. HD Supply is really is a good company, but their application process is very complicated, very convoluted, and there are odds that you might be denied. In terms of Office Depot, Office Max, if you are looking for electronics, this could be a good possibility. But in that case, it's just better to go with Staples. Staples has an easier application process. So Uline is a clear winner here. So here's the bottom line to this conversation. I spoke to you about Uline versus HD Supply versus Office Depot, Office Max. I give you the review, the choice, the selection, now the bottom line. Thank you so much. God bless you. I see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.